Pineapples are delicious and exotic. Growing your own is rewarding. Raised beds make it easy. They offer good drainage, which pineapples love. You can control the soil and protect your plants. Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking a fresh pineapple. With a raised bed, you can enjoy this tropical treat no matter where you live. First, choose a sunny spot for your raised bed. Pineapples need at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Build your bed with wood or concrete blocks. Make sure it's at least 2 feet wide and 1 foot deep. Fill the bed with well-draining soil. Pineapples prefer slightly acidic soil. You can find special potting mix for tropical plants at your local garden center. Now you're ready to plant. Choose a healthy pineapple top from a store-bought fruit. Twist off the top and let it dry for a day or two. Then plant it in the center of your raised bed. Water it well. Pineapples need regular watering, especially during hot weather. Fertilize them every few months with a slow-release fertilizer. Remove any weeds that pop up around your plant. Keep an eye out for pests like mealybugs and scale insects. They can damage your pineapple plant. If you see any, spray them with a mixture of water and insecticidal soap. With a little care and attention, your pineapple will thrive in its raised bed. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.